It's time to demystify m1R and m1L. I get lots of questions asking about them because I suppose I don't work them in a typical way. Anyway, this is the m1R. I use my right needle to lift the strand and place it on my left needle, and then I knit it. I'm going to do it again. You see, I'm lifting the strand from the front towards the back and placing it on my left needle. Now, if instead of using the right needle, you use the left one, you will need to do the opposite. So instead of inserting the needle from the front towards the back, you will be inserting the needle from the back towards the front. And you get exactly the same thing. You can try it yourself to see it. See, this is with the right needle and this is with the left needle. Now I'm going to do the m1L with my right needle. I'm going to lift the strand from the back towards the front and place it on my left needle. I'm going to knit through the back loop of it. And I do it again with my right needle, lift from the back towards the front. Place it on the left needle and knit through the back loop. If I were to do it with my left needle, I would be picking up the strand from the front towards the back. And again, I would be knitting through the back loop. So with the left needle, I would be lifting it from the front towards the back and knitting through the back loop. You see, the end result is the same, so it really depends on whether you're using your right needle or left needle to lift the strand.